to my glasses. It makes me laugh. Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Hello Sparkles. Today I have a new do-it-yourself with this board right here. I talked on my Instagram recently. About trying to do a dupe. Is that what I'm trying to say? Yes, do a dupe of either what is it called? At Home or Michael's the wooden signs. This is one of those board wooden signs. I actually got this from Walmart for, I think it was $4 after tax. I want to say it is 10 by 10. I will be trying to see if I can replicate or make something similar to one of the ones that I saw at Home. Now the thing is, my whole initial reasoning behind this was to see if I could make it cheaper, and with all the cost of the supplies, if I add it all together, what you need but what you actually use versus what you buy to begin with, is it cheaper? Probably not. Can you get multiple projects out of it? Yes, but I don't know. I'll have to do the whole math breakdown afterwards if I want to. I might not just do that at all, but I gotta find a sign. I'm gonna go scroll through some At Home pages and go pick a design and try to replicate it on this as best as I can. I hope it turns out. I don't know. We'll see.
So that one's pretty cute, but not really my style. I don't know really what I want to do. Let's see. I'm trying to see. That one's pretty cute. Now again, this board is 10. We call it 10 inches by 10 inches, and these are 8 inches. So they're 8 by 8s, and I think this other one was an 8 by 8 as well. No, that one's 6, so 6 by 6. Like that. Is that a mat? Is that a doormat? I think so. Nope, I don't want to do any of that. Which way to candy? See, I like these. They're cute, but they're more like, I don't know. Oops. More cartoony than me. I mean, that would be really easy to do. Ooh, what if I did like falling, what are those called? Candy corns. And the stars. I do like those. That might be another idea. Ooh. Now, I want to replicate it, but I also don't want to be exact because I don't want to, I don't know, get in trouble for having an exact. I do like this Don't Be a Scaredy Cat, but I like that it's kind of like a ticket, but it's not, again, not super my style. This is 8 inches and that's $7.99. Welcome. That's cute. See, some of these, like, I like them, but they're not, like, that's cute, but I don't really like hollow weird. I don't know why. I'm not super into that. And that does not say what the size is. And a lot of these are obviously out of stock because it's a little bit later in the year. Okay, so that Home Sweet Haunted Home is cute, and I could do a coffin on this. And do, because I have like the Home Sweet Haunted Home, and look at it, it is 10 inches for $5.99. Well, I've already busted the bank because the paint alone was $1. No, $4. No, I'll say $1 because I had wanted to buy a big one because I knew I was going to have more, you know, projects. So I think that might be an idea, is to paint this and do Home Sweet Haunted Home with the, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do this one here. Not exactly the skull and stuff, but I think I'll do candy corns and stars. Maybe not candy corns. I like candy corn. I don't like to eat candy corn, but I like the look of candy corn. They're cute. Maybe I'll do that. Home Sweet Haunted Home. And I think I'm going to cut out the Home Sweet Haunted Home on my Cricut. So, like I said, I'm not going to do an exact replica of this. I am going to do something close to, like, I don't know, I like the tombstone look of it. I think I'll see where I get with. I think I'm gonna go print out or cut out, not print out, cut out some Home Sweet Haunted Home and go from there. So let's go do that. Quality went down on these. Holy crap. I make things way harder on myself than they have to be.
Hey guys! Yep, it's me again. A whole new day, a whole new look, whole new outfit. New makeup too. Yeah, it took me 2 days to film this and paint this and everything with this. I struggled a little bit with it, just to be honest. But here is the finished product. I think I've already kind of showed it to you in a fancy form. But I just wanted to, I don't know, hold it up by my face. So pretty. Anyway, I like how it turned out. Thank you for joining me in painting this. I like the simplicity in it, but I do think I need to add some more things to it. I just don't know what yet. I like the idea of the starburst, like the coffin one I showed you guys where I got the idea from. I'm so scared of overdoing it that I'm going to end up not liking it. So right now I like it like it is. I might go back and add more later. If I do, I will post it on my Instagram to show you guys what I have done to it, what else I've added to it. But right now, simplicity is key. Like I said in my, when I was looking through the other things, I don't really like a whole lot of cartoony looking decorations. And not necessarily cartoony, but like, I don't know. I like kiddish Halloween, but I also don't like decorating with it, but I'm also not super glam, or what's the word I'm looking for? I don't do like I don't know. I have a certain look I like. I like certain things, and some things I just don't like, and some of those things they were too cartoony for me or something, or it was like too gimmicky maybe. Maybe that's the word I'm looking for. It was too gimmicky for me that I didn't like it. And it's hard to explain. It's so hard to explain because I like some things that are just like, oh man, that's Halloween and that's like kid Halloween, but then there's some things I just don't like. But anyway, I like how this came out. I can talk. And I hope you guys did too. Thank you for watching my Boo It Yourself with me. And even though it's more of like a watch me make things kind of video, I do like how it came out. And I hope you guys do too. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. And comment down below what you liked most about the video. I did try to do a little bit of a DIY with it, or an instructional video, but I can't promise anything because I'm talking to my future self. I haven't quite edited it all the way yet, so I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys like this, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye!